Hello friends, I am Kasiru. Welcome back to my YouTube channel TCN Editing. This video is my first After Effects tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this. So let's get started. We need a third-party plugin for this. This plugin download link in description. First create a new composition, name it as main comp. Then create another composition, name it as logo. Import your logo into After Effects. Drag logo into logo composition and adjust size. Then drag logo composition into our main composition. Create a new solid. Drag logo into top. Select black solid. Then go to Effect, Video Copy, Saber. Now you can see a neon effect. Select logo composition, go to layer, click on auto trace, then click on OK. Now click this arrow. Select mask and copy it, paste it into black solid. Now we can delete logo composition. Select black solid and go to Effect Control panel. Click this arrow. Change core type to layer mask. Reduce this. Then change this to neon. Reduce this. Click this end offset, then change this to 0. Play the video for about 5 seconds and stop it. Then change 0 to 100. Now your video is ready. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.